Maybe some green onions. We're going to add a little bit of garlic. I'm going to add radish green. That's good. Going to add a little bit of chicken powder and black pepper. I'm going to add the eggs. I already seasoned the eggs. Okay, I'm just gonna let it cook like that. So I'm just going to fold the edges. Just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese on top. And I'm going to put it in the oven just to melt the cheese. And there you have it. It's finished. Time to eat. Just kinda there. I almost touched the handle. It's hot. Time. That's my omelette. Radish omelette.